Hey guys, I'm Deepika and welcome back to my channel. So how many of you guys like a sale? Actually, I don't think there is anybody who doesn't enjoy a good sale, and since there was a sale going on, I decided to take advantage of the sale going on. So I bought a bunch of kurtas from Jabong because I needed them to wear to work, because I like wearing ethnic wear to work and I really was low on my kurta. Actually not low, but I'm kind of bored of my kurtas, so I wanted some new ones to wear to work. So I bought a bunch of kurtas, as you can see, and I've not opened them yet because I was waiting for everything to come in so I could open it with you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, so in no specific order, let's just get into it. This is a kurta by Libas. I don't honestly remember buying this. I'll insert a picture here probably of the original item. Actually, I also want to check, like, did I buy this? I don't remember. Give me a second. Yeah, so apparently I did buy this. I think the quality of this is pretty good. I like the quality, I like the color. Good length, I would say. Let me just try this on. So this is how it looks like on. This is a really good material. I really like it. It even has pockets in it, which is always a, like, you know your stuff, Libas. If you have pockets in a kurta, you know what a girl wants. I am surprised by one thing, and that is the sizing, because I usually fit into an M in kurtas. So या तो मैं मोटी हो गई हूँ या फिर there is some issue with the sizing, because this fits me pretty well. It's not a loose fit or anything. It fits me pretty well. So yeah, and I'm wearing an L. Also, this is for 350 rupees. So for 350 rupees, I really could not have asked for anything better. For 350, this is pretty good. So the next item I got is apparently this blue kurta. I don't remember anything I got, honestly. I don't remember buying any of it. So I'm also like seeing it again for the first time, almost like opening a mystery box with you guys. Okay, so that is this blue kurta. It's also almost like I think quarter sleeves, and this is how it looks. So this kurta is by Shri, and I got a size M in it. I don't know why I got an M size in this. And this is how it looks on the model. Let me just try it on. So this is how this one looks like on, and this is a size M, and this fits me actually a little looser than the one that I wore by Libas. So please do check the sizing information of each item and what the measurements are before buying it, because this is pretty loose on me and this is an M, and actually I really like this. This also looks, I think this color looks really good on me, and it isn't in fact as transparent as I thought it was initially. And it also has one pocket, not two pockets. We can make do with one pocket. At least it has a pocket. So this one is for 312 rupees, which again is pretty awesome, I would say. Okay, moving on. So this is just a pair of white leggings that I bought. I always keep ruining my white leggings. I'm just unfortunate when it comes to white leggings. So this is how these are. These are for about 294 rupees. These are actually pretty good quality leggings. I really like the material. It's stretchy and it's a pretty thick material at the same time. And the brand that this is from is Libertina. Next item is this kurta that I got from Ux. Oh, this is one of those. I wanted one of these kind of kurtas that are really in nowadays, with the cutout shoulders. This is how the kurta looks, and it's again a size L. It has these tassels on the bottoms, which I think also will create an interesting effect. So let's just try it on. So this is how it looks like on. I really like the shoulder cutout detail over here, but unfortunately I feel like with this kind of a fit, this makes me, this is a little too loose on me, and it ends up making me look a little fat. So I'm not sure if I should keep this or if I should get a size lower in this. But overall I really like it. I actually honestly like the kurtas from Ux. Usually I have a couple of more. The quality is pretty good and I think it looks really nice. This one was for 392 2.70 rupees. again, a good deal. I remember this one. I remember buying this one. This again, I think is, if I'm not wrong, this one also has this kind of a fit on it. Ah, this looks really nice. Oh, I don't know if I'm showing it to you properly. This again, as I said, has a cutout shoulder effect on it, and at first look, this seems to have really good quality. Actually, it's a pretty good material with a zip going down the back. So let's try this on. So this is how it looks like on. I think the cutouts on this look a little better than the last one. I think it looks really pretty. The blue and the cream really look good together. Unfortunately, it is a little transparent. So I think when I do wear it out, I would have to wear something underneath it. Also, it does have a zipper on the back, but the zipper is non-functional. It's not really working. I've tried a couple of times to pull it down, but the zipper doesn't work, and I bought a size bigger on me. So this was something I could like wear without using a zipper, but for somebody who bought it true to size, I think they would have a little problem with the zipper if all pieces are like this. So I would like cut out a little bit of marks from this just because the zipper is really bad quality. This one is by the brand Sassafras. I'm not sure that's how you pronounce it. Sassafras. This one was for 481 rupees. Moving on. Oh, this one I remember this one. This one I'm really excited about. Yeah, so this one's by the brand Sangria, and it's this. Okay, so this is not very comfortable to lift your hands in either. Anyways, so this is by the brand Sangria, and it's like a full length, it's like not a full length, it's like a calf length sort of ombre kurta slash dress. I feel like this is a little too wide for me. Like even for an L, I think this is going to be pretty big on me. It comes with a belt, like a brown basic belt, like so. This is how it looks on, and I don't think it really looks that good on me. That is not just a problem with the sizing on this. This is definitely too big for me. Obviously, I can say that might be my fault. I should have probably gotten an M in this because this is way too big. But the biggest problem with this is that the belt that it comes with, the model is also wearing it just under the bust. But this is like a small, like a proper trouser belt. This is how it is. There is absolutely no way. Look at the amount of belt that is left out, and there is no hole over here whatsoever. So if I haven't already mentioned, then this is by the brand Sangria, and this is, I think, probably the most expensive thing that I bought, which makes it all the more disappointing. This one was for 802 rupees. This is probably the most disappointing thing till now. The next thing is, oh, this one is the open front sort of kurta jacket that I bought. This one is by also the brand Sangria. So this is how it looks like on. I don't have any problems with the fit of this. This is fitting me how I expected an L to fit me, and I'm happy with that. But I don't really honestly like how it has ended up looking on me, because I don't know, I didn't really like it that much on the whole. And but the material is pretty good, and I like the red detailing on this, and it is kind of a versatile piece. The price of this kurti is 445.20 rupees. So that's it for this video. This is all the kurti sort of stuff that I got from Jabong, and I'm really happy with the bargains that I was able to get. Some of these pieces are so good for the price that I got them at. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow me on my other social media and stay connected with me, then the links will be somewhere here. And I'll see you next time.